Alright, so as I was stopping to record on the last video, I realized that my signs were not flipped, so we divided by a negative, we had to flip them. So our inequality should have been between 0 and 2/3. Okay. Alright, so now in this video we're going to go through two examples of power series using substitution. The cool thing about power series is once we have an idea or a formatting for power series, we can quickly write another power series for another function if we have the same formatting using a different input. Okay, so if we're given the same function but the input is different, for example, instead of x we have x squared. We can use the power series that we had in example 1 for f of x to make a new power series for f of x squared. Okay, so we're using the f of x from problem 1, so 1 over 1 plus x. So we have this power series that we already had created, so we can think about that. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that. So f of x equals 1 minus x, okay, we're just writing that, minus x plus x squared minus x cubed, and we're adding more terms. But remember, we only need the first 4. Alright, so now we can write a function for f of x squared by just taking all the inputs from this one and replacing it with x squared. So 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4th. So remember, power multiplying, minus x to the 6th, and so on. Okay, so we're just subbing in x squared. Alright, so same thing for the next one. Power series from example 2, so we're going to use the 3 over 1 minus 2x. So we have this equation. Alright, so f of x equals 3 plus our value is 2x, I believe. Yep. So we're multiplying by 2x. We have that already. And last one. Alright, so again, we're going to take the same function but replace the input with, I guess they said g, but whatever. So we could write these as g. Input changes to root x. Alright, so all of the x's get changed to root x. So we'll multiply root x, 6 times root x, plus root x into here, root x squared is just going to be x. Oops. 12x plus, so that would be x root x. So if we cube that, we're multiplying 3 of them together, so x root x. And we can keep going with this. But that is a power series by substitution. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to look at doing differentiation. We're going to look at doing integration with power series in another video. So let me know if you have any questions.